Okay, so the question is, do I have advice for people starting out or wanting to make it a profession?
Yeah,
Is
in
that right?
general, not like, pop your chromatics.
Yeah, I would say consistency, and patience. Just got to keep going even when you're not inspired necessarily. You just got to sit down and start doing it. And then, you kind of create your own inspiration, I guess. It kind of has to be like the most important thing you're doing, if you want to make a career out of it, at least. Yeah. And at the beginning, the best the best thing I could do to make it sustainable was to just reduce costs. Like, it's like giving yourself a raise, to just reduce the amount you're spending, because you're not going to make a lot. Well, you could, but usually it's very hard to make a lot of money painting.
Did you have to get into some good galleries before you started selling a lot of work?
No, actually, yeah, just kind of a smaller, local, little galleries can provide steady money, a good money. It really depends on the quality of the clients that gallery has. It's like very relationship based. A small gallery, small local gallery that has really good existing clients can do better for you than a gigantic, established, famous gallery that might have a ton of artists and you might just get lost in the shuffle. So I advise starting close to you so you can check in on the gallery and see what's actually happening with your work, and so you can get to know them personally. I think that's a great way to start. It's really I think quality over quantity in terms of clients with art. One really good collector could potentially support an artist for a whole year, and that might just depend on the personal relationship you would have with them, rather than trying to get exposed to as many people as possible. Sometimes that doesn't work.